Introduce highlight features or overview summary for BESTNET Q27 Jump Starter with Air Compressor. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: powerful 3000 amp jump starter. Imagine a freezing morning your car won't start. With this 3000 amp car jump starter, you're back on the road in seconds. Designed for 12-volt vehicles up to 7.0L gas or 5.0L diesel engines, it delivers instant power to cars, SUVs, trucks, motorcycles, and boats. No waiting, no cables to borrow, just pure confidence wherever you drive. Built-in air compressor. Stay in control with the 150 psi digital air compressor. Inflate your car, bike, or sports tires anytime, anywhere. The auto stop function ensures perfect pressure every time, while the 4 nozzle adapters make it ideal for basketballs, pool floats, and more. This compact inflator delivers impressive speed. It can inflate an SUV tire from 30 to 36 psi in just 1 minute, saving you valuable time when every second counts. The digital display allows easy switching between 3 units, bar/psi, giving you precise control no matter your preference. A true all-in-one car accessory for road trips and emergencies. LED light with 3 modes, more than a battery booster, this is your portable power bank and emergency light. The ultra-bright LED flashlight illuminates dark roads or campsites with steady, strobe, and SOS modes. Whether fixing a tire at night or signaling for help, it keeps you safe and visible when it matters most. Smart Safety System, safety comes standard. Our smart jump starter uses advanced protection technology to prevent reverse polarity, overcurrent, overvoltage, overload, and spark issues. With intuitive indicator lights and foolproof clamps, anyone can jump start a vehicle safely and easily. Smart Cordless Tire Inflator. The Q27 Jump Pack features a smart LED screen that provides real-time tire pressure readings and automatic shut-off for precise inflation. Its ultra-bright display remains clear and easy to read, even under direct sunlight. No need to squint or shade the screen. Compact and portable design. Lightweight yet rugged, this portable jump starter with air compressor fits easily in your glove box or backpack. Includes jumper cables, air hose, USB cable, and a durable carrying case. Perfect for home garages, camping trips, and daily commutes, always ready when you need it most. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.